Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros. And for today's a quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve if coming across a RuneScape error and it reads there was an error loading the game configurations from the website. If you have a firewall, check that this program is allowed to access the internet with the 7 and 28 code. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung Windows Firewall, and then automatic mga kaibigan, makikita mo dito yung Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And once na-open mo na tong Windows Defender Firewall, and dito lang sa left side menu, and kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung outbound rules. Okay, so click mo lang yan. And dito sa right side na settings ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung RuneScape game. Okay, so for example, i-locate mo lang yung RuneScape game. And then once na-locate mo na, and then select and double click. And dito lang sa kanyang general tab, so kailangan naka-enable siya, so uncheck mo lang tong box. And then dito sa kanyang actions ay i-select mo lang dito yung allow the connections. And then click mo lang dito yung apply, and i-click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so after dito sa Windows Defender Firewall, and the next solution na pwede natin gawin is to flush DNS. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And once na open mo na tong administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na ipconfig //flushdns. So, in all small letter lahat, ipconfig space, yung //DNS is one word yan, and press mo lang yung enter. And then, successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. And the next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter, ay type mo lang dito yung command keyword na netsh space Winsock space reset. So, in all small letter lahat, netsh space Winsock space reset, and then press mo lang yung enter. And then successfully reset the Winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So ang next step, so close lang natin tong CMD at dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po ka-simple on how to fix RuneScape error loading the game configurations from the website. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.